Mm, they're sucking the milk of mamas. See? For 3 days now. They are very active. See? Hey, look at it, guys. Updating that kitty. She's dead. For 3 days, the 6 kittens is only 5 now. She's very slow sucking the milk. There are 6. Oh. See? Yani, kalat. Supposed to be first in the box and then put here.
لا بالعكس, we put here so we like cover the body and then we put here, I think.
Yani chili, that's chili.
ما أدري.
Then put that.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, baby.
R.I.P. In case she's inside.
Rest in peace, baby.
آخ عليا. Then hold it like this. Put your fingers.
Uh,
Yeah.
Rest in peace.
All right.
In the red ball.
والله وعليا.